Now in this video, let us learn regarding nucleophilic addition reactions of aldehydes and ketone with hydrazine. So we are going to learn the reaction with hydrazine. With hydrazine also, aldehydes and ketones react in a similar way and forms the product as corresponding hydrazones. The formula of hydrazine is NH2 single bond NH2. Let us see how the addition of hydrazine takes place with aldehyde first. So general formula of aldehyde, as you know, is RCHO. If you learn this reaction with aldehyde, you will also be able to write the reaction with ketone because they both proceed in a similar way. So aldehyde adds with hydrazine. What happens now? The two hydrogen linked with this nitrogen will undergo splitting. How will that be happening? Now one H will remain with nitrogen and one more H will link with oxygen and becomes OH, and that OH will be attached to the same carbon. After all, the first step is addition reaction. So let us see how the first step product is obtained. R remaining as it is, linked with C, above linked with hydrogen. Now below, O taking a linkage and one more H attached with O. So therefore OH. Now single covalent bond, and this is having one H there, so NH, then linked with single bond, then linked with NH2. So now this will undergo condensation. That means water molecule will be getting eliminated, OH from here and H from this nitrogen. So therefore we have the product as R single bond C as it is above H. Now it will be linked with double bond with nitrogen because OH from here is also getting eliminated and H from here also it's going out. So therefore in order to balance, they will be carbon and nitrogen will be linked by double covalent bond. So C linked with double covalent bond N, and what happens? This N in turn will be linked with NH2. So along with that we have water also coming out. So they form corresponding hydrazones as the product. Now let us take up this example case for aldehyde. Let us take up the example of acetaldehyde. CH3CHO is a formula of acetaldehyde. This will add with hydrazine, NH2 linked with NH2 in the first step. It will form the addition product. Instead of R, we have replaced it with CH3. So CH3 single bond C, above with hydrogen, below with OH, in the side with NH, then NH2. Now what happens? Molecule of water will be getting eliminated. OH from here, hydrogen from here. So therefore we will end up in the formation as CH3, C as it is, above hydrogen as it is, linked with nitrogen by double bond. This nitrogen in turn is linked with NH2 along with water. So now the name of this compound is acetaldehyde hydrazone. Acetaldehyde hydrazone. So hydrazine will become hydrazone. This is how aldehyde will react with hydrazine. Now let us see how a ketone will react with hydrazine. Just we will make the required change to represent the ketone in the same reaction. You know the general formula of ketone being RCO R dash. So I will do the necessary change here. RCO R dash. It's no longer aldehyde. It has become a ketone. So now this ketone will react with hydrazine in a similar way, and it will form a addition compound. What's the necessary change to be done here? So we'll introduce the ketone there, and therefore the next step, there is elimination of water taking place. Here also we will represent the ketone by replacing the hydrogen of aldehyde with R dash. So they will form corresponding hydrogen along with molecule of water being eliminated. So because water of molecule is getting eliminated, this step process is also called condensation reaction. Now let us learn the case with example for ketone also. So the common ketone that we have been using is acetone, and the formula of acetone is CH3COCH3. This is a symmetrical ketone. Now we will add with hydrazine in the similar way as we learnt in the general reaction. Now what happens? This will add here, O will come down along with H from here. So therefore we will end up in the formation of addition product. Therefore this is nucleophilic addition. Now this will further eliminate molecule of water. As you know, OH from here and hydrogen along with the nitrogen will go out as water, and then we finally land up in the formation of the hydrazone of this ketone, namely acetone hydrazone. The name of this compound is acetone hydrazone. The formula being CH3 linked with C is nitrogen double bond and NH2. So this is the formula for acetone hydrazone. So both aldehydes and ketones react with hydrazine in a similar fashion, resulting in the formation of corresponding hydrazone.